Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I am a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also a Google partner and I'm also a Facebook Ads and Bing Ads certified advertising professional. So, in this video, I will be explaining you on how to create a successful structure of a Google Ads campaign. When you are running a campaign on Google Ads, it is definitely different than Facebook running ads on Facebook ads or Bing ads, or somewhat different than Instagram ads. Although I know that there are few parameters which are quite similar, and they are quite resemble each other, like ad rank formula, of Facebook, and even better than Facebook. The ad rank formula of Bing ads and Google ads, resemble a lot each other. So, but then there are things which are different from each other. The interest targeting on Facebook is definitely different than what we see on Google Ads, because Google Ads primarily focuses on keyword targeting, and their prime strategy is keyword. So in this video, I will be explaining you on how to create a Google Ads successful structure based campaign. So let's get started with me on this. So here I am. So how you can create a successful campaign structure on Google Ads. You can see this is a similar scenario of a campaign at a Google Ads. And because I was giving a presentation at a university regarding this, so I thought to share with you guys as well. Okay, an ordinary campaign on Google Ads looks like this. But what makes an optimized campaign structure, let me show you that this is an unoptimized campaign structure. For instance, this is a furniture company, and its website is named plantationdesign.com. Great selection made in USA, the best furniture. You can see leather sectional, table lamp, coffee table, all combined in a single ad group. Now this is not a perfect structure which I wanted to talk to you. Let's make it even better. And now you can see that this is an optimized campaign, where you can see that we have divided the campaign into three segments: leather sectional, leather love seats, leather chairs. And in a leather chairs, we have all the buying keywords related to leather chairs over here. In leather love seats, we have only, we also need to understand the psyche behind every keyword. Now, when a person is searching buy leather sectional suit or a leather sectional suit, both are different, because in leather sectional suits, you might not know. He may be interested to know about what is leather sectional suits, but when he is searching a buy leather sectional suit, it means that his intent is to finally make a purchase. So understanding the intent is also very important, and I suggest to structure your campaign according to the intent of the user, and put all the buying keywords in one aspect and the other keywords in other aspect. Now you can see, now this is an even more improved version of a good campaign structure. Let me show you few of the practical examples as well, so you guys have a better idea. For instance, you can see over here, now this is a different campaign structure. Let's say for this is for hotel in Spain, Italy. We are going to divide the campaign into different ad groups. The campaign is Spain, and we have two cities of Madrid, Barcelona. Now hotels in Madrid or hotels Madrid, we are going to have it in a different ad group, and hotels in Barcelona or book hotel Barcelona, different ad group. Now structuring your campaign is a very important thing. For instance, this is regarding coffee beans, and again, this is not an optimized structured campaign. But when you change it, like the intent of the user, now you can get into three optimized structures. Let me show you even a practical example of one of our client too, so that you guys have an exact idea on what can be a perfect structured campaign. For instance, this is a client for our taxi booking. Now we have divided them into different campaigns, and in each campaign we have different ad groups. So let's say in airport, when you open it, you will see that there are a lot of ad groups. I'm sorry, I cannot show you the names of these ad groups due to client privacy, but you can see that we have divided the campaign into various ad groups and structured the campaign accordingly. So we need to understand, the one formula of having a perfect campaign structure on Google Ads to focus on one thing, and that is a relevant landing page with relevant keyword, with relevant ad, three sets, I do not recommend creating long, ad groups with lots of keywords and having a same landing page. Not a good strategy. But rather fewer keywords, and for fewer keywords, a specific customized landing page, highly targeted according to the intent of the user with the whatever search the user has in his mind. So follow the intent and create a specific strategy accordingly. Ideally, if you ask me, SKG is the best method. SKG means single keyword ad group, where there is a different ad for each keyword. Now that is the best strategy. There is no match for SKG, but because SKG requires too much hard work and too much time to create, so which is why I recommend it's not a bad idea to have 5-10 keywords in each ad group on a single themed base or single intent of the user, and then create campaigns accordingly. I hope you like this video. In case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. Once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.